How to find marketplace notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find marketplace notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find the settings and then click notifications. And now just you will find this one here, marketplace, and you can manage here anything you want. You can turn it everything off and just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.